Welcome to Iran, to 5,000 years of history.
What does that say?
It says, a traveler brings a gift to every house he visits.
We are travelers. We brought ourselves.
Yourselves! That is exactly the right gift.
I think we are going to like you, Dariush.
Mom, is it right? Does it look okay?
It looks beautiful. You look beautiful.
The mountains! The mountains are right there behind the buildings.
The Alborz. We ski there in winter and people ski after work. The Tehran Bazaar. 200 years old. 10 kilometers. Nobody gets lost in my bazaar. Follow me. Stay close.
Stay close. Peter already lost.
Saffron. Iran produces 80% of the world's saffron.
The color is extraordinary, like gold threads.
Smell this. It smells like a whole garden.
1,000 roses in one small bottle.
There are a million shapes. How do they make this?
By hand, one knot at a time. A large carpet takes years.
How many knots are in this one? Like the whole carpet?
This one? About 2 million knots. Tied by one family. 4 years. Sugar here, between your teeth. Drink through it. It is sweet and tea at the same time.
This one. The star pattern. I will draw it first.
A boy who looks before he buys. Well done. The pomegranate, the symbol of Iran. It means life and love.
Can I get this, Mom, please? Of course.
Of course. Of course. A pomegranate from Iran. You will keep it forever.
I will wear it every day.
This is a square? Bigger than our whole town. 400 years ago, the center of the world.
The whole thing is covered, every centimeter.
18 million handmade tiles, placed one by one.
I have never seen anything like this.
It's like it goes on forever.
Look at the patterns. Mom, why are you crying?
Because it is too beautiful, Peter. Sometimes things are too beautiful.
I cannot draw it. There are too many shapes.
The craftsman spent 30 years learning. You have 2 minutes.
Did you hear that? Clap! Right here! Clap! 7 times! It comes back 7 times!
400 years ago. No computers, no measurements, just knowledge.
They were smarter than us.
The capital of the Persian Empire, 2,500 years ago. It is still standing.
He is my size. He was a real person.
A real man, walking here. 2,000 years ago. I feel very small right now. My ancestors built. This says, Darius the Great, king of Persia, built this palace.
The same Darius as your name? Dariush Darius? Your name is the same as the king.
Who built this?
You are the first child to notice that. Come look! A lion fighting a bull! On the stone!
The New Year symbol. You found Nowruz. Lion is summer. Bull is winter. Spring always wins.
They carved spring winning! 2,000 years ago!
My friend's family. In Iran, if you walk past a house at mealtime, you eat. We cannot just. She does not know us. Welcome. In Iran, a guest is a gift from God.
Then we go in.
We definitely go in.
1, 2, 3. Dad, there are 11 dishes. The rice is gold.
Emily, the rice is literally gold-colored.
It is very green tasting. But I like it.
You like it. Your face says you like it, Peter.
چه رنگ قشنگی. خیلی بهت میاد.
She says your scarf color is beautiful. She likes lavender.
Tell her I bought it for here. For Iran.
Stop refusing. In Iran, refusing means more. Then how do I stop getting food?
It tastes like roses? Ice cream that tastes like flowers?
Saffron and rosewater. 2,000 years of Persian flavor.
You are not adjusting it anymore.
I forgot about it. It just feels normal now.
The Persian garden. 4,000 years old, this design. Paradise means garden. Paradise. Yes, I can see why they use that word. Close your eyes, walk in, open them when I say.
Again? What is it this time?
Keep your eyes closed as we enter.
I can feel something. Something warm and colorful.
You cannot feel colors, Peter.
Open.
I am inside the colors. I am the colors.
Yes, right now, you are.
Mom, am I a different color right now?
Every color. All at once.
Every time I stand here, I feel the same pride. This beauty is the soul of our history.
You love this place.
I come every week to remember what matters.
This is me inside the colors. Does it look right? Does it look right?
It looks exactly right, Peter.
The colors are gone.
They are still there. You carry them now.
The orange tree's move sits in the air.
It is so beautiful here, Dariush.
How do you spell lights? Lights?
Yes, exactly right. What will you tell people about Iran? We will tell them, go. Nothing like what you think. Nothing like what you think. That is enough. That is more than enough.
I will wear it every day. I said that and I meant it.
I know, sweetheart. I know you did.
Comment below. What surprised you most about Iran? Tell us everything. Subscribe for more slow English stories. Every week. New places. A mosque made of rainbows. I put that.